Whenever anybody talks about the secret of any success in profession, I believe that the first thing what is needed is the passion. Second, you must have the faith. Third, you must have the knowledge of that profession. And fourth is that you must have the latest knowledge as well as application of IT technology in whatever profession you are. Today, without IT, you cannot succeed. When I was reading to an interview given by Karunanidhi, the then Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, he was asked a question by the journalist that, do you have faith in the Supreme Court of India? Because he lost a case in the Supreme Court about some hunger strike. He was on hunger strike and Supreme Court gave some notice to him. And he was asked a question that, do you believe in the Supreme Court of India? And he said, and I quote, it to a journalist in Indian Express, which was published in Indian Express newspaper 2 years back. He said that there was a boy who was going to the temple every day and was praying to the God. One time, his mother falls sick and she was very sick. The mother was near about 80 years. He went to the God and told to God, please save my mother. But next day the mother died. The boy stopped going to the temple for some days. But after some days, after 10-15 days, again he started going to the same temple and again praying to the same God. And now he was saying to the God that please save me and save my family. So he said the same, that if we have the faith like in God, the same is there in the Supreme Court. You lose one case doesn't mean that you lose the faith in the Supreme Court. There is other case where you can show your merit to the Supreme Court and can get justice. So we have to have faith in the judicial system, we have to faith in the legal profession, we have to faith in our own advocacy, and we should see that the prestige and the status of advocates are maintained in India as well as abroad. So that is all in our hands, and I am sure that Parekh sir, who has been the President of Supreme Court Bar Association, knows where we are going and what are the problems of the advocates at all the levels, and he will be discussing all this in his discourse. I once again welcome him to Bharati Vidyapith New Law College, Pune. And sir, it's a great honor that you have given us time, and I hope that your blessings and your concern will take Bharati Vidyapith New Law College to greater heights.